Good morning and welcome to Moneyline. Today we have tennis games for you. So I've selected tennis predictions for today. 18 matches, 118 odds. Favorite team to win a set, and this is what these options mean. So I'm giving my favorite team to win at least one set in this encounter. So moving on, I don't want to go mention all the themes. These are ATP and WPA. So go ahead and then select this game and play if you are not using Sportybet. If you are using Sportybet, use the booking code and then play these games. I wish you guys good luck, and then remember to bet responsibly. This is tennis. Anything can happen. Anybody can win. It's a one-man game. So bet responsibly. I've said before. 100 naira to win 15,000. So 1,000 naira to win 156,000 naira. So that is a good win if this come true. And then don't forget to like this video and also share it with your friends. Thank you so much for always being there for us in this channel. We believe as the season are open, we will make go winning. Thank you so much.